In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Jira roadmap, a step-by-step tutorial that will guide you through the entire process from start to finish. Whether you're just starting with Jira or looking to enhance your existing projects with a roadmap tool, this instructional guide will provide you with everything you need to create a functional and useful roadmap. First, you'll want to navigate to the project section. Here you'll see a list of your existing projects. To create a new one, simply click on the plus button next to projects. This is your starting point for setting up a new roadmap. Next, you'll need to choose a template that best fits your project needs. Jira offers a variety of templates, so take your time to explore them if you're not sure which one suits your project style. Once you've decided, click Use Template to proceed. Now comes an important decision, whether to go for a company managed or team managed project. The choice largely depends on how you prefer your project to be administered and who will be using it. Consider your team structure as well as the level of customization you require. Once that's decided, it's time to give your project a clear and descriptive name. This is important for easy identification and will be helpful when managing multiple projects. Enter a name that truly represents the scope and goals of your project. As you create your project, a project key is typically generated automatically. This key is unique and acts as an identifier in your Jira system. However, if for some reason it's not, you do have the option to create one yourself. Once you've ensured everything is in place, go ahead and click on Next. If you're working with a team, you can add teammates to your project. While this step is optional, it's beneficial as it allows everyone involved in the project to collaborate seamlessly right from the start. You can also choose to skip this step and add teammates later. With your project set up, click on the three dots next to your project's name and select Project Settings. From the Settings menu, choose Features. Here you'll want to enable the Timeline feature, which is an integral part of working with roadmaps. After enabling the Timeline feature, navigate to the top panel of your project and click Timeline. This feature provides a visual representation of your project's schedule and allows you to manage tasks efficiently. On the timeline, click plus Create Epic to start creating epics directly. Epics are large bodies of work that can be broken down into tasks or stories. For each epic, you'll want to add child issues. Think of these as stories or tasks that contribute to the completion of the epic. Click the plus next to the epic name to add them. Double click into any epic to add crucial information like start and end dates, assignees, and attachments. This step ensures that everyone involved has a clear understanding of the timeline and responsibilities within the epic. Finally, familiarize yourself with the various filters available, such as type, status category, and custom filters. These tools can help you sort issues and prioritize tasks, keeping your roadmap clear and organized. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully created a roadmap in Jira, enabling you and your team to visualize and manage your project timelines effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you leverage Jira roadmaps to their fullest potential.